Hey guys, so welcome back. It's your favorite girl BJ Special. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you step by step on how I prepare my cake toppers. I don't buy cake toppers from the market. Anytime I want to decorate my cakes, I prepare the toppers myself. I will send to the printer and they will print it. Bam, it is ready. Then you can see that cake beautifully made with cake topper. So if you want to know how I made this, please keep watching. Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make these beautiful toppers yourself. These toppers can be used in decorating your birthday cake, your anniversary cake, or your wedding cake, or depending on the type of cake you are making. So for making these beautiful cake toppers, you need two apps in your phone, which is the printrest and the CapCut or PixArt. So the first thing you do is to download printrest in your phone. If you don't have printrest in your phone, I already have printrest in my phone. When you download printrest in your phone, then you go to the search button and type the cartoon character or maybe the kind of topper you are searching for. They're going to display a lot of images. Then you will go ahead and select the one you want to work with. So here I'm working with Baby Shark cartoon character. You can as well work with any other cartoon character you want or any other cake topper that you want. So I will go ahead to search. I will make sure I get a clear and a beautiful one before I save. If I don't like the one they display, I will go ahead and type again and they will bring out another image for me. Next one I just typed is Paw Patrol cartoon character. I'm okay with this image. I'll go to download and I'll save to my phone. I'll keep searching until I'm done with the images I want for this Paw Patrol team cartoon character. So I'll go ahead and type another character I want, and here are the image. I'm going to select the one I'm going to be working with. When I select, I will save to my phone. So guys, I'm going to continue this process until I'm done with all the characters or the toppers I want in this printrest. If you want a happy birthday topper, you can as well type happy birthday and they're going to bring everything else for you, and you will go ahead and select the one you want to work with. So here, what I'm selecting are the image I'm going to be working with. So with this, you can make your cake toppers yourself without stress, without spending much money. If today is your first time of coming to this channel, you are highly welcome. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel. And for my returning subscribers, I really do appreciate you guys for always coming back to watch our videos. So right here, for all the images I've selected, I'll go ahead to send it to my printer and tell him how I want him to print it. You can either print in a light paper or in a card. If the topper you're going to be standing it on the cake, it means that you're going to print it in a card form. But if you're going to place it directly on the cake, you're going to print it in a light paper. So here is the gum I'm going to be working with. This is 1 tablespoon of CMC and water mixed together. It is an edible gum. So here the topper is ready. I've gotten it from the printer. I have the light one here. As you can see, this one is the light one. For these images, I'm going to be pasting them directly on the cake. For this one, I'm going to be using it to make toppers. This is card. It is very thick. So watch and see how I'm going to trim it off and fix it before placing on my cake. You can do this and sell to your baker's friend around your area. You can as well supply to vendors that are into baking items, and you will make cool cash without spending much money. So right here is my edible glue. I prepared this edible glue with 1 tablespoon of CMC and 1 tablespoon of water. Then I'm going to stick it to my skewer, and here where you can see the cake topper looking beautiful. I'm going to repeat the same process to the cake toppers. Remember, what I'm using for the toppers is the one I printed in a card form. That one is very thick and it can stand when you place it on your cake. For the light one, I'm going to be placing that one directly on the body of the cake. So here we are, the cake toppers are ready. It is ready. You can place it on your cake without issues. You can see that. If you buy this in the market, you're going to spend a lot of money buying them. But if you're going to print it, in one card, you can print as many as you want to print in that card. And you will trim it off and fix your skewer, you're good to go. You can do this yourself. If I can personally do this, I'm telling you that you can do this too. So stop buying cake toppers in the market and print it yourself. If you have watched to this particular time, I really do appreciate you for staying glued in this channel. Thank you guys for following in this cake toppers production. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. I'm going to attend to all the questions. Bye guys, see you in my next video. Bye bye.